Hey guys, so I've been doing some more CRs and I've not finished yet, so I'm going to continue with that today. I'm looking into the code for the unit tests that the guys did, and hopefully I'm going to get finished with it today. So let's hear the team.
Hi, so yesterday I finished the bid test class and the need class and its test. I've got some rejects from Shachar, and now I'm going to fix it.
So today I will try to write better test for contract class, and probably that's it.
Hey guys, so I was just catching up with Tal on both of our flights. I just came back from Germany, he came back from the Valley in California. So we're working together on the leads we need to contact back and see what's needed to be done. Now, this is it. Bye.
Hey DailyDAVers, so today I started the day with some follow-up mails, and then I filmed the developers for the DailyDAV. After that I made Chinese subtitles for Ellen Master's interview for our Chinese YouTube channel, and then I worked some more on the expert panel with John, Sai and Nick. And now I'm gonna edit the DailyDAV, and that will be it. See you next time.
Hi guys, today I'm continuing with my efforts with regard to organizing all of the records of our communications. I'm also lending a hand while John is out of town, fielding emails that are coming in about interview requests, and of course keeping social media up and running. See you next time.